Namaste. Now we will learn the machine learning and the deep learning using the Raspberry Pi. Here I have a brand new Raspberry Pi. Here you can see this is the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus board. There are many versions of the Raspberry Pi, but for machine learning I prefer 3B or 3B Plus or 4, Raspberry Pi 4. That's the newer version. Now I just have a brand new Raspberry Pi here. I need to add some operating system in order to work with this Raspberry Pi. So for that, here is a memory card that's of 32 GB. Don't go for 8 GB, at least 16 GB or 32 GB is the best one, because while installing we need to install the OpenCV and lots of things in future. So for that, if you have the 8 GB, that will going to be the less. So just have the 32 GB or 16 GB. This is the 32 GB SD card. Now what we have to do means first we need to download the operating system and we need to put for the Raspberry Pi. And one thing, the theory related to this machine learning and deep learning, all those what is meaning, everything you will directly get in the Google. Just type. I'm just going to teach you all these practicals, okay? And theory also we will discuss when that concept comes. While making these things only we will discuss, so that we can remember that. So now I have this memory card and I have one card reader with me here. Okay, I'm just inserting this memory card to the card reader, and yeah, okay, start to insert it. I inserted and I'm connecting it to the computer. Okay, here I connected. Now I want to, yeah, it's, you can see it's detected, and now I just have to okay, yeah, here it's detected. Okay, this is just an empty memory card. I need to now burn the OS for this SD card. That's putting the OS is called as the burning. So we need for the Raspberry Pi, we can burn this Kali Linux or Raspbian. That is the official Raspbian and Noobs. These two are the official one, and Windows 10 IoT Core, Kali Linux, and all these things we can burn in the SD card, and Raspberry Pi supports all these things. But now we use the official one, that is the easy one, that is Raspbian or Noobs. So for that, make sure that you connected internet to your laptop and just go to the Google or any of the browser, then search for Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, OS. Then you will see this first website, that's www.raspberrypi.org. Just click on this. There are many operating systems you can see here. So now we need to download the operating system. So yeah, operating systems and Raspberry Pi OS, and here it is there, Raspberry Pi OS with a desktop recommended software. Okay, because we need even the desktop, only the command prompt, that's not good. So yeah, we can have that, but with the desktop, that is like easy navigations, and we can just it will give the graphical interface. So just we need to download this. Just click on this, and this will start downloading, but I already downloaded. It is 11/1/2021, and Raspberry, okay, yeah, something, that name is there. What is that? Yeah, Raspbian Buster harmful.zip. So that will going to download a zip file. So now what we have to do means, here I already have that file. I just downloaded, but it is not the newer version. It is 13/2/2020. That is the 1 year back version, Raspbian Buster. Same that on OS. So you just have to unzip it. I think you know how to unzip. It is not like this, it is in a zipped format. You just have to right click and click unzip. Here you will see the options unzip, and you just have to unzip it. After unzipping, you will get only this one. Okay, don't look at these three, just only this one you will get, that is the Raspbian Buster, and inside that Raspbian Buster.image. Okay, this one we will get, that is the image file that we need to burn. So for that, For burning any operating system to the SD card, we have the softwares, okay, good softwares like this Rufus and even another one, I just forgot the name. There are many softwares. I'm just using this Rufus. This software link I will provide in the description. So you need to download this software to your computer, Windows, Linux or anything, or Mac. Okay, so just click on this. This is the software that is used to burn this image file to the memory card. We need to now burn this image file, that is Raspberry Pi image file, to this board. So that means memory card. Okay, yeah, here it is showing 32 GB. That's my SD card. It's auto detected, and here I need to select that image file. So I'm just clicking the select, and I need to download, and yeah, that is where I downloaded this one. Okay, that image file I just need to select and click open. Okay, that is now that image file is selected. Now I just have to go to, yeah, start. Now it starts, it asks for the format, click OK, then it delete the partitions and it will start writing the image, and wait until it becomes the 100% and it will show the completed something. Okay, let's just wait for that time. Now it's almost done. It's 97 point something, so let's wait till it completes. Yeah, okay, now it's showing, yeah, it's ready. Now just close this and remove the SD card from the computer. Okay, now I just removed, you can see this, and now okay, where is my Raspberry Pi? Yeah, here we have our board. If I connect, this is my power supply, that is the 5 volt from your laptop or any adapters, but preferably 2.4 amps adapter is the best one for the Raspberry Pi. So or else you can just connect it to your laptop and laptop USB port and just connect to the proper USB, that means power input here, that is okay, where is that? This one. Okay, this is the power input. If I just give the power in, then here is one red LED that will just glow. It will not blink, and even this yellow LED also not blink. That means there is no SD card. So we need to insert our bootable SD card now. That means that we just prepared. So I'm removing this SD card from this. Now we need to insert this SD card. So just turn off the power supply and put your SD card into this slot, Raspberry Pi's memory card slot, and just plug it again. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the yellow color LED that is blinking. That means without any constant time, it will just blink. Randomly, these two LEDs will start blinking. That means now the Raspberry Pi, that means it is the OS is running inside the Raspberry Pi. So now if you connect the HDMI display or any through HDMI cable, if you connect this to the display, you will start getting the operating system's output. That means whatever that start and all those things you will get, and you can control it through these USB ports by connecting the mouse or keyboard. That becomes, it is a small computer now. It acts as a small Linux computer now. But now we don't have any monitors or any screen. So how to get this operating system's output to our laptop? That means through the Wi-Fi connected or through this cables, through this USB cable, how to get the output from this Raspberry Pi 2 in our laptop. That we will see in the next session. I think you understand this much. If you have any doubt, just ask in the descriptions or comment box. Okay, thank you.